Some journeys don't follow roads. They follow curiosity. We begin where ordinary travel ends. This is an unparalleled journey, taking you far beyond the beaten track. We ride into some of Cambodia's most isolated and remarkable destinations. Every trail is unknown terrain. Every turn, a new challenge. The reward is breathtaking views that few ever get to see. Along the way, we discover hidden gems, untouched and unforgettable. These places hold stories that have remained unseen by many. This is more than a ride. It's freedom, exploration, and connection. Dirtbike Expeditions Cambodia, not just a journey, but a truly remarkable experience.